Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is Visual Basic. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Visual Basic? Visual Basic is a programming language and integrated development environment or IDE that was developed by Microsoft. It was designed to make it easier for beginners and non-programmers to create Windows application with a graphical user interface or GUI. Visual Basic, often abbreviated as VB, is descendant of the Basic programming language and shares many similarities with it. Visual Basic provides a visual programming environment where developers can drag and drop user interface elements such as buttons, text boxes, and menus onto a form and then write code to define the functionality of those elements. The language itself is event-driven, meaning that code is executed in response to specific events such as button being clicked or form being loaded. Visual Basic uses a syntax that is relatively easy to understand and read. With a focus on simplicity and ease of use, it supports a wide range of features and functionality including database access, file manipulation, networking, and more. Over the years, various versions of Visual Basic has been released, with Visual Basic.net or VB.net being the most recent major release. It's worth noting that while Visual Basic had been widely used in the past, its popularity has declined in recent years as other programming languages and frameworks have gained more prominence. However, there are still legacy applications and systems that use Visual Basic, and it can be a useful language to learn for certain scenarios. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about what is Visual Basic. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.